What's going on, YouTube? This is Mike, living with 3M. That's Legend in the background. Thought I'd come to you guys this morning and make a short video about how to change your factory keyless entry code on the door to a personalized one. So stay tuned. Okay, so you come around here, grab your manual out of your glove box. This is your factory code. I've got the card flipped over. That's your factory code. It's a 5-digit code, will be on the other side of it. So, okay, we're gonna come around here to our keypad on the door. Here is the manual. There's the card. I've got it flipped over for security purposes. I don't want everybody to see my number. So basically what we're gonna do on the other side of this card is your factory number. Okay, so you're gonna take that number, you're gonna come up here, you're gonna push in that number. It's a 5-digit number. Then within 5 seconds, you're gonna press the 1-2 button. Locks are gonna lock, unlock, and the lights are gonna flash to confirm. Again, within 5 seconds, you're gonna push your personal code in, 5 digits that you have thought of. And then within 5 seconds again, you're gonna push the 1-2 button one more time. It's gonna flash the lights and lock and unlock the doors. And that's as simple as that. Now you have your factory code, plus you also have the personal code. And I say that because, just to let you know, hey, you guys can see me right there. Just to let you know, it does not erase the factory code. It just adds a personal code. So you'll always have that factory code. So don't worry about screwing something up and losing your factory code. So that's the tip of the day. I'm Mike, living with 3M. Just thought I would throw this handy tip out there to you guys that can't remember that factory code for the life of you. I know I couldn't. So I read in my manual. It's page 64 and 65 in case you guys are wondering. All right, that's going to do it for the video today. I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe. It means a lot. It helps out my channel, and I do appreciate it.